Students, are you worried about OTBA and fails to understand how to obtain full marks in the exam? Well, if yes, this video is going to help you greatly. In this video, I'm going to tell you what OTBA actually is and few amazing tips to score well. Well, firstly, we need to understand that the question paper of each main exam will have a separate section of 10 marks for OTBA, and the question will be based on one of two themes given in the material. We need to understand that OTBA is introduced by CBSE to improve the quality of education and to help students to get away the concepts of mugging. So you don't need to take pressure. But my dear friends, studying for open book test is not easy as it seems, okay? Because it tests your concepts and your understanding. So it would be better if you won't lightly and study for it sincerely. So I'm going to tell you few tips that would definitely help you to score full marks in OTBA. Here comes the tip number 1. Students, study for it as you would do for a regular exam. Don't take it lightly because it contains 10 marks, and if you study well, you will be able to gain those 10 marks very easily. So the only difference between your regular examinations and OTBA is that in this exam you will get the study material, so you don't have to mug up, but you need to work hard. So the material would be provided to you beforehand. It would be great if you go through the topic of both the themes because you don't know which theme are you going to get. So just go through it and understand the concept. Let's understand tip 2. So the second tip is focus on concepts. If you want to broaden your knowledge, you need to focus on concept because the questions posed in front of you in these exams ask you to analyze and explain. So you need to frame answers from your understanding rather than just copying from the text. So while you are giving a thorough reading, understand the concept because the questions would be posed on the main concept. With this, we come to the next step. So the third tip is go through the study material and make notes. Now we know this that we have to go through the study material. But what after that? We have to make notes as well because making notes would help us to grasp the concepts and the ideas given in the text clearly. So if we are going through the study material and making notes properly, this would help us greatly because questions in these tests are based on high order thinking skill and those are hot. So these questions will really be direct and the possibility is very less that the answers would be given in one particular paragraph. So you have to look out for the answers, and if you make note, you will be able to crack these hot questions easily and smoothly. So the difficult questions would not bother you anymore. Now come tip number 4. Highlight important points in the study material. The most common problem that all the students face during examination is lack of time. Yes, time is always running and we are trying to complete our answer till the last minute. But here's a great news. The issue with the time can be sorted out if you highlight points in your study material in case of OTBA, of course. So whenever you come across a question and you are prepared well for it and you have highlighted the points in your study material, you would not take much time to search for that particular topic or for that particular answer because you already know, you have done it. So practicing and highlighting points would be your savior. With this comes our last step, and that is step number 5. When you have studied well, you need to practice through mock tests. By giving mock tests, you will be able to make yourself familiarize with the pattern of the examination and what type of questions would be framed. So you will be well practiced before the examination and you will not get shocked during the exam. Practicing before the exam would also help you to know how to frame answers, and this will definitely make you tension free. So go ahead and prepare well, follow all the tips given to you, and practice through mock tests, and this is how you will be able to gain those 10 marks very easily. I hope this has helped you and made you more confident now. Thank you so much and all the best for your exams.